Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by updating iOS and turning on dictation because outdated software or a disabled toggle causes failures. Once done, enable dictation in Settings General Keyboard and confirm the input language matches what you speak. Make sure microphone permission is granted under privacy so the phone can hear you. If you use Siri, ensure its language aligns with dictation. These initial steps remove most configuration blockers and let you test immediately without waste. Now you toggle dictation off and back on, then restart the iPhone to reload audio and language services. This often fixes transient bugs. Next, reset the keyboard dictionary to remove corrupted data that misroutes voice input. Once reset, test in Notes and Messages to isolate whether the issue is app-specific. Speak in a quiet room and use the globe or language key to confirm you're on the correct language. If it works here, you've narrowed the fault to a particular app or setting. If dictation remains unreliable, reset all settings to revert system preferences without erasing data. This fixes deep configuration conflicts. Make sure you back up first, then restore from iCloud or via Finder if resetting doesn't help, because a clean restore repairs persistent software corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: try a wired headset microphone. If dictation works with the headset, the built-in mic or its connection is likely the problem and a hardware repair is needed. Contact Apple support only after these steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.